Good morning, Natalie. Go play. Go play in your ball pit. Whoop. So we can see you walk around, okay? Got the hickeys, huh? Okay. Get in there. You can do it. Good job. Hey, Natalie. Arms up. Arms up. Arms up. Okay, we're not going to do arms up. Arms up. Arms up. You know how to do. There you go. Arms up. Well, turn this way and do it. Can you say Dada? Come here. Come here. Get up. Let's get up, okay? Get up. Stand up. Stand up. There you go. Natalie, what are these? Natalie, what are these? What are these? Bubbles? Are those bubbles? Here. Bubbles? Can you say bubbles? Can you say bubbles? Of course you're not going to say anything. Bubble! Good job! Bubble! Arms up. Good job! Mommy's gonna get you. I'm gonna chase you.